Very good morning, children. So you all are very happy today. Okay. So have a nice day, children. Today we are going to be learn about English because many people are thinking that English is a very difficult subject. So we all are having the pronunciations problems there. So we are having some doubt also is there. The phonetic sounds of the word and the alphabet is related to that. But English is, I think, English is not a tough subject. Some people will say that English is a very difficult subject because they depend on the people also and the communication skill, that is main. So our parents all studied English subject, whatever the medium might be. Any medium, no problem. But English is compulsory in all the states, in all the mediums. Okay. But we are taking very seriously while using English. We are feel some hesitations. एक hesitation हो जाता है. कैसे? अगर हम suppose when we are speaking English, we make some pronunciation problem and some mistakes of grammar mistakes, right? We all used to make some mistakes. Nobody is perfect. Sometime, somewhere, anybody will make mistakes, right? But in English is a very easy subject. I will say that because English is main the alphabetical. The alphabetic means the alphabets A to Z. Everybody know that the alphabet also there is a 4 types of writing skill. In 4 line, how to use alphabet, how to use 3 line, how to use 2 line. These all we know that. We are practicing also according to the 4 line. From the very beginning the school, the teachers, they used to show you how to write 4 line. In 4 line, which alphabets come forward, which alphabet come downward. The 4 line is related to that only. The 4 line copy, when you all are studied, those who are watching the channel. So those who are watching the channel, I want to say that we know in which place the 3 line will come. 3 line alphabets in the capital cursive. So capital cursive means I can inform you that the calligraphy writing also is there, and capital cursive. In the capital cursive we use for signature, because when you become a VIP, when you have completed your ambitions, so the people will come and stand in a line. They will wait for your signature. Today you all are studying in the elementary school or primary school, is it? But one day the people will wait for his signatures. By God's grace, you all will go to the very good positions according to your parents' ambitions and also by your ability and your eligibility as per your fate. The fate will take you anywhere because you are caliber to study properly, you are scoring a very good number. So your ambition also sometime it will be challenged to you. So that it will be focused somewhere. So it will take you to very big and high big positions. Okay. So that alphabet of English word should be properly while writing. While writing, in the school also we used to inform you that first letter should be in always capital, right? So we are using our name also. You can see from the example of that, when we are writing our first name, first alphabet of our name, so we are writing in a capital letter only. The capital letter, capital cursive also is there, and capital ABCD is also there. So today I will show you the alphabetical of capital. Okay children, let's know about today's date. Today's date is 8 and September month and 2020. Okay, 8, 9, 2020. And the day, which day is today? Today is a Tuesday. I want to remind you the spellings of the Tuesday. The Tuesday spelling is Tuesday. Tuesday. Okay. Today the topic is remembering what you have learned. The subject is English only. Okay, we are writing English subject only, but the topic is remembering what you have learnt. Learnt. Got it? Because everyone know that whenever the English word we are pronouncing means the alphabet will be compulsory to use. So alphabetical of the writing skill, we are using the alphabetical A to Z. Everybody know it. But alphabetical while writing skill, reading skill and listening skill, speaking skill. These are the four importance of while speaking English, while writing English, while listening English. Okay. So first I am taking of the writing skill. Okay, writing skill, there is two types of the ABCDs there, alphabets are there, the 26 alphabets. In that the 4-line copies will be knows you very well. Some student knows very well. Some students are practicing the 4-line copy. The school teacher also given you homework several times, and the capital cursive writing book also they provided from the school to practice and improve your handwriting. So everywhere, everyone, the parents as well as the teachers, they used to say that improve your handwriting. This word you heard very clearly with the keen observations. Okay, the capital cursive of from short way method, I will show you the capital cursive. Capital cursive. In the capital cursive and capital alphabet. Everybody know capital alphabet from the pre-primary to all the classes. Everybody using this alphabet. You know very well. This A to Z. You all are learn. Is it? Everyone know that. Even your father, your grandfather, everybody knows that A to Z. Next, capital cursive. What I told you just now. Can you remember? I think so. For your autograph. The people will wait for your autograph means your writing of the first letter should be very neat. The expecting for your autograph, that the first alphabet should be very good and the neat handwriting. So I may show you that capital cursive. The capital cursive, first letter, capital cursive of the A. So it will start from this way. I think so you all know very well about this alphabet too. The Z will be hand like this. So first alphabet I will show you how to write in the 4-line. So 1, 2, 3. In the 3 line, the third line, from the third line, okay, wait, I will show you. Where is the registers? This is a 4-line. See, from the third line to first line, again we are taking like this. The capital cursive alphabet A. Okay. So this way we are practicing. Next, B. Capital cursive of B. These capital cursive will be completing with a 3-line only. Okay. So this C. Okay, but the people those who want to know about the name properly means they will use this C also. See, like this. They will show you this way. And the D, only 4 alphabet I show you. See, many students know that, you won't be bored. Okay, this kind of the alphabet should be improved for our writing skill. And this alphabet everybody know that, this ABCD, this is normal to everybody. Okay, this ABCD will be practiced well everyone. The capital cursive is important of the writing skill. And while listening skill, so we are talking of the listening skill in English. Listening means we are listening, hearing. Okay, the teacher, while teacher was explaining, now we are observing televisions, when you are seeing the mobile, your laptop, whatever it may be. In that we are observing with our eyes, with our views, and listening. While listening, we are observing that pronunciations. Pronunciation means what kind of the phonetic sounds of the English word. The phonetic sounds of the English word, what we are using, what we are understanding, what we are able to write now. So these all the things only in the school period teachers are informing you several times. Concentrate, you heard about the word of concentrate. Concentrate means you have to listen carefully with your keen observation. With your keen observation, listen carefully, look at the board, sit in a correct posture. So these all the teacher used to say in your daily routine in the classroom. These all mentally, physically you should observe with the keen observation to understand the concept, the topic, what teacher was teaching you in front of you. Right? So these are the words you familiar about in schools and the classes. Okay, children? So in this, the listening skill, just now I said phonetic sound. Example, mango. Okay, we are starting from the mango. How the phonetic sound goes? Mango, M-A-N-G-O. Okay, mango. Okay? I'll write properly. So the mango I'll show you here. See, M-A-N-G-O. First, to learn the spelling of mango, first we are making the word in a two part. How? What is the spelling of man? A sound words. A sound words of C. A is supporting alphabet here in front of M. Right? In front of A is sound words. So man, what is the spelling of man? Man means a person. Okay? Okay. Next, go. The go word everybody know the spelling because two words alphabet also we practice in the school. Go, to, in, on. These all the words we learn at the school period because of the phonetic sounds. Next, A sound also we learn. You all know about the vowels. I am coming to the topic of the vowels also. Okay, man and go. Now we are understanding about how the phonetic sounds are supporting to improve your English. So, then thus you can understand how to read in a shortcut way. Because some children are not able to read properly with the 5 alphabets, 6 alphabets, okay, one line's answers, they are not able to write because some children are having the grasping power very fast. Some children are slow in reading, some children are slow in writing. For those children only, we are giving that remembering what we have learned. We are make them to remember what they learned in the previous class. Now, when you remembering about the previous class, the current classes will be frequently, we can practice very well. So, this is the helpline of our personal tutor class. Okay. So in this man go, the man go, man and the go, both the words are joined. When it is easy to write the spelling also. So man and go. Next is Mahatma word. In the Mahatma word also there is one tips I want to give you. What kind of tips? Because MANGO to learn only, we made a two word. We separated the word. Man and go, both joined together, it make a mango fruit spelling we learned. Now Mahatma. Mahatma means how will you learn in an easy way method of. Now we are learning about the learning skill of the reading. When we learn only, we can read it. When we are not able to learn, it cannot be read. So now I was informing about the Mahatma. Mahatma spelling in a very short way method, we can write the spelling. So here 3 alphabet dash I kept here, 3 alphabet. Okay. Here what is the spelling of Ma? M-A Ma. Can you see the word? M-A Ma. And I kept here 3 alphabet dash. Dash means to fill it here. Okay. And here again I am ending with the M-A. Again I am ending with the M-A. See, look at here. Both the side I mentioned M-A Ma. At the last also I am enclosing with the M-A. So the pending work is how to fill the 3 alphabet. What kind of the word will become here to fulfill? So H, A and T. Got it? So it is very funny, no? See? To understand the easy spellings, we are giving you in a short way method of understanding the word without making any spelling mistakes. No spelling mistakes. Nobody can make the spelling mistakes, because spelling mistakes only deduct your number, your percentage and your quality and also your ability. Okay. So when you are learning properly, understanding properly, writing is so good. While writing the test or examination, while learning also, it should not be effective spelling. So that's what, this is the easy method of the Mahatma to write the spelling. Understood? So I am helping work. Where are the tips to understand you only? Today we are giving for a listening skill without making any spelling mistake. Got it, children? Next, one question also we asked in the quiz contest. Probably the small kids to understand, make them to understand the English word with the correct spelling. We used to give some puzzles in the class. What kind of puzzles? That puzzles game we used to keep in the school, that word power. At home, you can also play with your brothers sisters. How? See, we are keeping the blank box. Okay? Understood? Here, again another box I am using. Totally, upward there is 3 box, downward there is 4 box. Totally 4 box. The question we are going to be asked to the children, that you will also get the time to understand that it is the organ of our body. The clue also I will give you. There is the organ of our body. How many box? 7 box. That things we are wearing with the organ, this is an important part of our sense organ. The clue is the sense organ. In the sense organ, we are using the things. That name is the blank box. Can you understand? I will repeat the question once more. The organ of our body, the clue I am giving that it is a sense organ. The sense organ, the thing we are using. So what we are using for the things for our sense organ. So this is the things. So I'll give you 1 or 2 minutes time to guess the answer properly. So this is the time for you guess, children. The sense organ, we are using the things. So I'll give the right answer now. The time is over. Ear. Sense organ is ear. Okay. And the thing is ring. R-I-N-G. See here. Earring. Ear is a sense organ and the ring is a earring. What we call in English? Earring. Got it? So this is a earring. We can say that according the quiz contest. So these are the things only we want to show you, remembering what you have learned. Remembering means R-E-M-B, because while writing cursive writing you should see properly the shape of the alphabet should be understood by everyone. So the earring is called the proper answer for that. So this kind of the words we used to give in English to fulfill and understanding very easily in English. Word power. With the word power we can improve our English also by playing game, by playing quiz contest. Okay children? Okay, so today we are giving from the person tutor class. I hope this English class, writing skill, listening skill and speaking skill should be understood properly. That's why we are given the topic of remembering what you learn. Okay children? Thank you and have a nice day.